हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम चैप्टर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम के कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हीलियम एटम हैज एन एटॉमिक मास ऑफ 4u and 2 protons in its nucleus. How many neutrons does it have? न्यूट्रॉन्स निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है एटॉमिक मास माइनस नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स। तो इसमें हमें एटॉमिक मास दिया हुआ है हीलियम का 4u and protons हैं 2. So atomic mass minus number of protons is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. तो इसमें neutrons हैं 2. Next question. How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? If the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom of an element is less than or equal to 4, then the valency of the element is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Means outermost shell has less than or equal to 4 electrons, then the valency of the element will be equal to number of electrons. On the other hand, if the electrons in the outermost shell are greater than 4, then the valency of element will be determined by subtracting the number of electrons. So now we are going to find the chlorine first valency. Electronic configuration of chlorine is, in K shell it will have 2 electrons, in L shell it will have 8 electrons, and in M shell it will have 7 electrons. So in outermost shell it has 7 electrons, which is greater than 4. So we will subtract it from 8. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So valency of chlorine is 1. Next, electronic configuration for sulfur. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons, and M shell has 6 electrons. So number of electrons in the outermost shell of sulfur is 6, which is greater than 4. So this also we will subtract from 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. So valency of sulfur is 2. Electronic configuration for magnesium. K shell has electrons 2, L shell has electrons 8, and M shell has electrons 2. So in the last shell, electrons for magnesium are 2. So these are less than 4. So valency will be equal to 2. Next question. Composition of the nuclei of atomic species X and Y are given as under. X species has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, and Y species has 6 protons and 8 neutrons. Give the mass number of X and Y. What is the relation between the two species? Now we have to tell the mass number. To take out the mass number, we will add number of protons and number of neutrons given. In the X species, the mass number of X is number of protons plus number of neutrons. So 6 plus 6 is 12, and mass number of Y is 6 plus 8, which is 14. These two atomic species X and Y have same atomic number but different mass number. So these are isotopes. That's all for the day.